Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export a PDF from Revit step by step. Exporting your Revit drawings as PDF files is one of the easiest ways to share floor plans, elevations, sections, and construction documents with clients, contractors, and team members. So let's get started. First, open your Revit project and make sure the drawing sheet or view you want to export is complete and ready to share. Review your dimensions, annotations, title block, and layout to ensure everything appears correctly before creating the PDF. Next, click the File menu and choose Export, then select PDF if your version of Revit includes the built-in PDF exporter. If you're using an older version, you can use the print option with a PDF printer instead. Yeah, both methods create a high-quality PDF document. Now choose whether you want to export the current sheet, multiple sheets, or selected views. I mean configure options such as paper size, orientation, resolution, file naming, and the folder where you'd like to save the PDF. These settings help ensure your exported document matches your project requirements. After reviewing your settings, click Export or OK to begin creating the PDF. Wait for the process to finish, especially if you're exporting multiple sheets or large drawing sets. Finally, open the exported PDF to confirm that every page displays correctly, with accurate scaling, clear text, and properly formatted drawings. If needed, return to Revit, adjust your settings, and export the file again, and that's it. You now know how to export a PDF from Revit and share professional construction drawings with clients and project teams. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.